Hello and welcome back. So I have a couple of projects for you today that you can take on this week before Christmas with your family, some nice DIYs while the children are out of school on their vacation. The gingerbread house is a nice classic, but I'm going to give you 2 tips to make this project a little bit nicer and more convenient for your family. My first tip is to hot glue your house together. If you've ever done this before, you know why I say that. You typically have to use icing, and then you have to try and hold the house for 15 minutes first before you build it, and then it ends up falling apart and no one wants to wait that long. It's just a disaster. Hot glue it and then start your project right away. My next tip is get some of that Christmas parade candy used up and add it to the decor options for the house. It makes the house look a little bit better, especially since the kids, they don't come with that much, and it really, gives a chance to get that candy out of the house. These Dollar Tree snow globes turned out fun. These here, you can make your typical snow globes, or we ended up making more of a sensory globe because my children are young. I have a 2-year-old and a baby, so that's a little bit more up to their speed. But they add in the glitter and the snowballs and everything that they want to add in there. Just really made it a fun and a special experience. Once you're finished with the snow globes, add in some ribbon or pipe cleaners, some bows, really dress them up and make them nice decor pieces for your home. Here's a couple of acrylic paint projects for you. The first is taking some acrylic paints. You thin them down with a little bit of glue, and you can pour them into glass ornaments or plastic ornaments, whatever you have. Swirl your paint around in the bulb and then turn it over to let it dry and let the excess paint drip out. The second idea for you is to use those Dollar Tree snow globes again and pour the acrylic paint in the snow globe. That'll give a really nice surface for you to go ahead and paint on the outside. You can put handprints, which we did on some of ours. We put a snowman with fingerprints on another one and painted some scarves and hats on them, so that was real cute. And to give it a nice little touch before it dries completely on the inside, throw in a handful of glitter, and that actually makes it really sparkly and really nice surface as well. Don't forget about your classic noodle ornaments. We did these as a child. They're still on my mother's Christmas tree till this day. So it's a great gift for mothers and grandparents, and it helps your children build their fine motor skills. We did ornaments and garland, and that'll keep them busy for a while. I like to make sure I have a handprint ornament from all of my babies, and so we did this one. This one is actually from the brand called Tiny Ideas. You can get them on Amazon, and they really make a nice ornament. But for your older children, their hands are a little bit too large to put on this circle round, so I took the excess that we cut off and we made a snowman and put his thumbprints in there, and it just added, he could be in the activity as well, and another ornament to the tree, and make that memory special. These take a couple days to dry, but once they dry, you can add ribbon to them. You can add a scarf to your little snowman, maybe paint some eyes on there to give it a little bit of extra character. This is a cool science project type craft that you can make with a little bit older children, making borax crystals on things like pipe cleaners. I have here an ornament from the Dollar Tree that is somewhat of like a bottle brush ornament, and they make really stunning crystal formations with this solution. I have a full video for uploads and instructions on how to do that will be attached to this video. Whether you have babies, young children, or older children, I hope that you're able to find some inspiration today in some of these craft projects and enjoy your holiday week, and Merry Christmas.